एक महीने में पहली बार तमिलनाडु में कोविड का आंकड़ा प्रतिदिन अगर रोजाना की बात करें तो 500 के पार चला गया है। फरवरी के पहले हफ्ते में यह आंकड़ा कम होकर 500 से नीचे गया था, लेकिन मार्च के शुरुआती दिनों का आंकड़ा आपको अगर हम दिखाएं तो पूरे राज्य के साथ साथ राजधानी चेन्नई में भी जो कोरोना का ग्राफ है वो बढ़ रहा है। चेन्नई में एक ही पारिवारिक समूह से कई मामले सामने आने का सिलसिला जारी है। बीते 2 हफ्ते में केवल 209 परिवार में से कोविड के 409 मामले सामने आए हैं। चेन्नई में 36,000 स्ट्रीट्स में से 1,000 स्ट्रीट में भी मामले बढ़ रहे हैं। हालांकि राज्य के स्वास्थ्य विभाग ने कहा है कि कोविड से बचाव के लिए बनाए गए नियमों का पालन न करने की वजह से ये मामले बढ़ रहे हैं। तमिलनाडु में विधानसभा चुनाव की जो तारीख है उसकी घोषणा हो चुकी है। इसी बीच राज्य सरकार ने सभी जिलों में एक कोविड सेंटर खोलने का प्लान बनाया है और तमिलनाडु में इस तरीके से कोविड का ग्राफ जैसे बढ़ा उस पर और ज्यादा जानकारी देने के लिए हमारे सहयोगी मुगलन इस वक्त हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़े हैं। मुगलन, इन तमिलनाडु ओवर 500 कोविड केसेस आफ्टर अ मंथ।
The COVID cases once again have started showing an upward trend here in state of Tamil Nadu. The COVID cases fell below 500 in the month of February, but now we are seeing that the cases have started picking up and it has once again crossed 500 cases here in the state of Tamil Nadu. And more importantly, as far as Chennai is concerned, there is a significant increase in the number of positive cases. Now, in Chennai, the numbers have crossed more than 200. When we spoke with the health department, even though they say that this is a marginal increase, but the trend very clearly shows that there is an upward trend in the positive cases that are being detected in the state of Tamil Nadu. When we spoke with the health department, they have confirmed us the positivity rate is very much below 2%, and as far as Chennai is concerned, it is 1% and it is completely under the control. But this being the election season, we are seeing people gathering in large number. Now the government have started taking several measures to keep a tab on this surge in the COVID cases. As far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, yesterday the health department has announced that the people who come from other states except Karnataka, Telangana and Puducherry, others have to mandatorily take or obtain the e-pass from the Tamil Nadu state government to enter the state. And more importantly, there is an upward trend that has been detected. Now the Tamil Nadu state government is planning to open COVID care centers, at least one COVID care centers in every district. So the government is now gearing up to handle any surge in the COVID cases. But health department say that they are taking all the possible measures to keep a check on the rise of the COVID cases. When it comes to Chennai, especially Chennai, most of the cases have been identified from the clusters, that is the family clusters. There are at least 36,000 streets here in Chennai, and there has been an increase in the positive cases at least in 1,000 streets is what we are hearing from the health department officials now. And most of these cases have come from family clusters, that is during family functions, weddings or any social gatherings. Most of the cases has been identified through that clusters. So now the corporation have also started their awareness drive. They have started to reach to the public, to several peoples and peoples from various quarters of life, asking them to maintain or follow the COVID guidelines that has been issued by the Tamil Nadu state government. Yes, this being the election season, the health department are on their toes and they are taking all possible measures to keep a tab on the surge.
राइट मुगलन, लगातार हर राज्यों की यही कोशिश है कि जो कोरोना का ग्राफ है उसे बढ़ने ना दिया जाए, इन मामलों में कमी की जाए। मुगलन, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया तमाम जानकारी हम तक पहुंचाने के लिए।